Well, this is a BSR McDonald model 4800 bass. It's a BSR, typical BSR changer. The dust cover has a couple of marks on it, but it's not cracked anywhere. The changer mechanism has been completely disassembled and cleaned of all the old grease. All the moving parts have been cleaned and re-lubricated, including the cycling cam, the platter bearing. This one I happen to put a brand new tetrad cartridge on. I can get that to focus. Yeah, that's all brand new stylus. It's a flip over type stylus with a diamond needle on both sides. And everything works great on it now. Very smooth. I like to resurface the rubber idler pulley so it doesn't have any slippage. And this one actually has a Q lift, so you can find the selection you want. And it plays at 3 speeds, 33, 45, and 78. And we'll play 12-inch, 10-inch, and 7-inch records. You can stack up 4 or 5 records very easily on this. Got it hooked up to my little Panasonic stereo back there. And I've set the set down point correctly. And the end of play automatic shutoff works just fine as well. And I'll include a 45 RPM adapter. You can stack up a bunch of your 45 singles.